Cryptography for the common man. An easy-to-understand explanation of cryptography. A combination of two words, cryptography means hidden writing, and it's the process or skill of communicating in or deciphering secret writings or ciphers. A cipher is an algorithm for performing encryption or decryption. The first known use of cryptography was done by the ancient Egyptians. Hieroglyphic inscriptions found in a tomb of a nobleman were written with unusual symbols in order to hide the meaning of the inscriptions. Cryptography is usually done in 5 steps. First in plain text, then encryption, then ciphertext, then decryption, and plain text again. Plain text, also called clear text, is data that can easily be read. Encryption is the process of hiding the data. Ciphertext is text that is unreadable. Decryption is the process of reversing encryption so the data can be read again. The Lorenz cipher was developed for the German armies of World War II. Encryption of the messages were based on standard teleprinter code. Plaintext characters were converted into marks, represented by X, and spaces, represented by a dot. These marks are equal to 5-bit binary numbers today. Here are some pictures of the Lorenz cipher. The Enigma machine is an advanced electromechanical cipher machine developed in Germany at the end of World War I, and it consists of a keyboard in German layout, a lamp panel representing the alphabet, and 3 or 4 rotors which advance when a key is pressed. Several types of the Enigma machine were developed before and during World War II, and various models provided different levels of security. The addition of a plug board also helped to increase the security of an Enigma machine. Both the German Navy and the German Army made some modifications to the Enigma machine, and they include adding or removing some keys, adding the plug board, and using more than 3 rotors. The Enigma machine uses a polyalphabetic cipher, which is a type of substitution cipher. Here are some pictures of an Enigma machine. In a substitution cipher, parts of the plaintext are substituted for something else, like another letter or a picture. There are many different types of substitution ciphers. Simple substitution cipher refers to a cipher that operates on single letters. Polyalphabetic cipher refers to a cipher that uses a number of substitutions at different times in a message, and monoalphabetic cipher refers to a cipher using a fixed substitution over the whole message. Shift ciphers are a type of substitution cipher. The most well-known is the Caesar cipher. These ciphers shift letters to the right by using a fixed number. You start the alphabet from there, wrapping around until you get to Z. Julius Caesar didn't trust his messengers, so he used a shift cipher to protect messages of military importance. He shifted each letter by 3. A would become D, B would become E, and so on. This website demonstrates how a shift cipher or a Caesar cipher works. You type your message in this box. This message has been encrypted. Decrypting a message works the same way. This message has been decrypted. Here are some pictures of a shift cipher. Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES, is an encryption algorithm adopted and used by the United States government. File and email encryption are two common applications for AES. The first one, file encryption, helps to protect your information on your hard drive, and the second one, email encryption, helps protect your emails as they go through the internet. RSA is an algorithm for public key cryptography. It's most commonly used on the internet. Public key cryptography is cryptography where a pair of keys is used to encrypt and decrypt a message so that it arrives securely. This concludes my presentation.